Welcome to the CDL General Knowledge Practice Test Quiz. Let's get started. Question 1. What is the most important reason for doing a vehicle inspection? A. State law requires vehicle inspections. B. Safety is the most important reason to inspect your vehicle. C. To make sure your lights are working properly. D. To check for overinflated tires. The correct answer is option B. Safety is the most important reason to inspect your vehicle. Question 2. What things should you check during a trip? A. Watch for pedestrians crossing. B. Check brake fluid level. C. Watch gauges for signs of trouble. D. Make sure your signals are working properly. The correct answer is option C. Watch gauges for signs of trouble. Question 3. Name some key steering parts. A. Tires, rims, lug nuts. B. Leaf springs, bellows, eye-bolt. C. Axle, control arm, pressure plate. D. Spindle, tie rod, drag link. The correct answer is option D. Spindle, tie rod, drag link. Question 4. Name a suspension system defect. A. Leaking shock absorbers. B. Underinflated tires. C. Loose lug nuts. D. Cracked brake cylinder. The correct answer is option A. Leaking shock absorbers. Question 5. What three kinds of emergency equipment should you have? A. Flashlight, tire gauge, tire inflation foam. B. First aid kit, bandage gauze, pain reliever. C. Fire extinguisher, spare electrical fuses, warning device. D. Exterior hazard light, cell phone, wheel chock. The correct answer is option C. Fire extinguisher, spare electrical fuses, warning device. Question 6. What is the minimum tread depth for front tires? A. 4/32 inch. B. 2/32 inch. C. 7/16 inch. D. 3/8 inch. The correct answer is option A. 4/32 inch. Question 7. What is the minimum tread depth for other tires? A. 4/32 inch. B. 2/32 inch. C. 7/16 inch. D. 3/8 inch. The correct answer is option B. 2/32 inch. Question 8. Name some things you should check on the front of your vehicle during the walk-around inspection. A. Fuel tank, engine, tires. B. Brakes, air lines, suspension. C. Signal and clearance lights, headlights. D. Cab area, coupling system, rims. The correct answer is option C. Signal and clearance lights, headlights. Question 9. What should wheel bearing seals be checked for? A. Tightness. B. Leaking. C. Fluid level. D. Safety. The correct answer is option B. Leaking. Question 10. How many reflective triangles should you carry? A. 2. B. 4. C. 1. D. 3. The correct answer is option D. 3. Question 11. Why should you back toward the driver's side? A. State law requires backing toward the driver's side. B. Because it takes less time. C. Because you can see better. D. So you won't have to look over your passenger. The correct answer is option C. Because you can see better. Question 12. What is a pull-up? A. Repositioning of your vehicle when backing. B. A replacement for backing. C. Short forward movement to save brake wear. D. A diaper. The correct answer is option A. Repositioning of your vehicle when backing. Question 13. If stopped on a hill, how can you start moving without rolling back? A. Place wheel chock under front wheel. B. Place wheel chock under rear wheel. C. Partly engage clutch before taking your foot off the brake. D. Use your parking brake. The correct answer is option C. Partly engage clutch before taking your foot off the brake. Question 14. When backing, why is it important to use a helper? A. To help avoid blind spots. B. To watch for obstacles. C. To free the passenger side mirror. D. So you will not have to do all of the work. The correct answer is option A. Question 15. What's the most important hand signal that you and the helper should agree on? A. Pull up. B. Back up. C. Go. D. Stop. The correct answer is option D. Stop. Question 16. What are the two special conditions where you should downshift? A. Before stopping and exiting a curve. B. Before starting off and driving uphill. C. Before shutting engine off and before exiting vehicle. D. Before starting down a hill and before entering a curve. The correct answer is option D. Before starting down a hill and before entering a curve. Question 17. When should you downshift automatic transmissions? A. Before starting downgrade. B. Before starting upgrade. C. Before entering curve. D. Before exiting curve. The correct answer is option A. Before starting downgrade. Question 18. Retarders keep you from skidding when the road is slippery. True or false? The correct answer is option B. False. Question 19. What are the two ways to know when to shift? A. Engine sound, engine temperature. B. Engine speed, road speed. C. 8 seconds after leaving previous gear, clutch loosens. D. Clutch tightens, RPMs drop. The correct answer is option B. Engine speed, road speed. Question 20. How far ahead should you look when driving? A. 10 to 12 seconds. B. 8 to 10 seconds. C. 12 to 15 seconds. D. 15 to 17 seconds. The correct answer is option C. 12 to 15 seconds. Question 21. What are the two main things to look for ahead? A. Traffic and road conditions. B. Vehicles and stoplights. C. Disabled vehicles and obstacles. D. Curves and potholes. The correct answer is option A. Traffic and road conditions. Question 22. What's your most important way to see the sides and rear? A. Use your helper. B. Use your mirrors. C. Use your signals. D. Use your horn. The correct answer is option B. Use your mirrors. Question 23. What does communicating mean in safe driving? A. Using cell phones. B. Braking often. C. Using your horn. D. Signaling your intentions. The correct answer is option D. Signaling your intentions. Question 24. Where should your reflectors be placed when stopped on a divided highway? 50-foot/50/50. B. 100-foot/50/50. C. 10-foot/100/100. D. 100-foot/100/10. The correct answer is option C. 10-foot/100/100 foot. Question 25. What three things add up to total stopping distance? Stopping distance/reaction distance/perception distance. B. Vehicle distance/stopping distance/reaction distance. C. Braking distance/obstacle distance/stopping distance. D. Perception distance/reaction distance/braking distance. The correct answer is option D. Perception distance/reaction distance/braking distance. Question 26. If you go twice as fast, your stopping distance will increase by twice or 4 times? A. Twice. B. 4 times. The correct answer is option B. 4 times. Question 27. Empty trucks have the best braking. True or false? The correct answer is option B. False. Question 28. What is hydroplaning? F. Tires lose contact with road and have no traction. B. Turning steering wheel but vehicle doesn't turn. C. Braking but vehicle doesn't stop. D. Form of surfing. The correct answer is option A. Tires lose contact with road and have no traction. Question 29. What is black ice? A. Very hot slippery tar. B. Oil slick on the roadway. C. Snow on the roadway. D. Thin sheet of clear ice on roadway. The correct answer is option D. Thin sheet of clear ice on roadway. Question 30. You should use low beams whenever you can. True or false? The correct answer is option A. True.